Good morning, bachcho. Today we are going to study the topic depletion of water table. Water drawn from under the ground get restored by seepage of rainwater. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw as much water as is replenished by natural process. However, water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. This may happen due to many reasons, that is, population, industrial, and agricultural activities are some common factor affecting water table. Another factor affecting water table could be deforestation and decrease in the effective area for seepage of water. Now coming to first point, that is increasing population. Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices and roads. This decreases the open area like parks and playground. This in turn decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. Pakka floors does not allow water to seep in easily, while in a grass lawn water seeps through in no time. Moreover, a huge amount of water is required for construction work. So, on the one hand, we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other, we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground. This results in the depletion of water table. Now, second is increasing industries. Water is used by all the industries. Almost everything that we use need water somewhere in its production process. The number of industries is increasing continuously. Water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground. Third is agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rain for irrigating their crops. Irrigating systems such as canals are there only in few places. Even these systems may suffer from lack of water due to lesser rainfall. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day. Now, next topic is water management. Regular supply of water is provided by well-planned pipe system. When the civic authorities supply water through pipes, not all of it may reach the destination. Pipe leaking and a lot of water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. All of us, knowingly or unknowingly, waste water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing, and during many other activities. Leaking tap is another source of huge water wastage. We waste water as though we do not need water for the next time. हम लोग की हैबिट होती है कि हम लोग पानी इस तरह यूज़ करते हैं जैसे दोबारा कभी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Many places in India, an age old practice of water storage and water recharge, like the Bawris. Bawris क्या होती हैं? Bawris was the traditional way of collecting water. With time, the Bawris fell into disuse and garbage started filling in these reservoirs. इसके अंदर गंदगी फेंकी जाने लगी. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically, and that can be used through drip irrigation. Drip irrigation एक टेक्निक होती है जिसमें हम प्लांट्स को, जहाँ पे प्लांट्स हमारे लगे होते हैं, उन पे ड्रॉप वाइज ड्रॉप वाटर ही केवल प्रोवाइड करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द चैनल्स, डेडिकेटेड पाइपलाइन चैनल. आप फिगर में देख के समझ सकते हैं. ड्रिप इरिगेशन इज़ अ टेक्निक ऑफ वाटरिंग प्लांट बाय मेकिंग यूज ऑफ नैरो ट्यूबिंग्स which delivers water directly at the base of the plant. तो इस तरीके में वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर बहुत कम हो जाता है। ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू।